Today, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about fasting for the next 72 hours. Now, why is this important? Because for 72 hours of fasting, this will cleanse your body on a cellular level. And if you've ever taken any type of antibiotics, medication, ate beef, chicken, seafood, alcohol, processed foods in general, then it's time to hit the reset button on your body. Now, I'm not a doctor, so please read the disclaimer in the description below. Now, as a gym owner with 7 years of experience in 2 physical locations, an online training business, and a nutritional company, I've seen firsthand how challenging weight loss can be. 13 years ago, I was diagnosed with diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. My doctor put me on permanent medication when I was only 29 years old. And knowing heart disease ran in my family, I decided to take a different path. I was inspired by books like Kevin Trudeau's Natural Cures and Elijah Muhammad's How to Eat to Live. I learned about fasting and so many different herbal remedies for different diseases. This decision led me to where I am today. So I'm here to let you know that you're in the right place. And if you want to lose weight, feel better, get energy, and just in general feel so much better, let me break this down to you. Now, the first 24 hours will be a dry fast, and the next 48 hours will be a water, tea, or coffee. It's a liquid fast. I typically have my clients start this fast at 5 p.m. This timing allows you to shower at 4 p.m. before you begin your dry fast and right after 5 p.m. the next day when you break your fast. This way, you can still take a shower on both days. Now, listen. The real importance of a dry fast is your body initiates a process called autophagy within 24 hours. This is a process where cells self-cleanse and removes damaged cells and regenerates brand new ones. And the benefit is not just weight loss, but also your liver goes through a detoxification process. Your insulin levels lower, which stops the process of your body storing fat. Your body then produces human growth hormones, which works to burn fat by stimulating lipolysis, which is the natural process by which your body breaks down fat into usable energy. Fasting also helps control leptin and ghrelin, which is your hunger and satiated hormone. Lastly, you stimulate ketosis, which is when your body burns body fat instead of glucose in your body. So all of this sounds good, but there are some steps to do this fast successfully. So here are the first one. Step 1 is mental and emotional preparation. This type of fasting can be mentally challenging due to increased feelings of hunger and thirst, as well as potential mood swings. So watch out. Before starting, I want you to get into the right type of mindset so that you can prepare for 24 hours of not drinking or eating and 48 hours of not eating anything. Liquid fast. Step 2 is physical preparation. I want you to plan for low energy periods. I want you to schedule fasting during times where you can reduce both physical and mental activities. You gotta be low energy as possible. This also might include taking time off of work or just choosing the weekends. You cannot work doing a dry fast. Maybe a water fast, a liquid fast, but not a dry fast. In order to be successful, you need to also supportive environment. So I want you to inform your family, have like a family meeting, sit down, and your close friends if needed. And I want you to plan so that they can ensure that you maintain a good, peaceful environment, especially if you have children. Your stress levels during this time should be minimized as much as possible. I want you to make sure that your partner is aware and is on board and he or she is supportive. Step 3 is being hydrated before your fast. I want you to eat low carbs the week before and choose meals that are high in omega-3 fatty acids all throughout the week before you start. Healthy omega-3 fats are things like mackerel, shrimp, salmon, and avocados. These foods break down slowly so you don't feel hunger when you start fasting. We also have omega-3 supplements in our website, and I'll leave the link in our description below. Also, if you don't have any type of blood pressure issues, I want you to add 1 teaspoon of salt during your last meal so that your body can retain vitamins and minerals to promote more of a healthy function while you're on this fast. And stay well hydrated throughout the entire week before you begin the fast. And I want you to ramp up your water and electrolyte intake the days leading up to the fast, as no fluids will be consumed once you start. Now, I want you to prepare your body for this. So consume a balanced and diet rich in nutrients. I want you to focus on meals that are high in fiber and vitamins and minerals. Take supplements if you have to. And I want you to be really moderate on your proteins. Step 4, I want you to plan and rest and recover. During this fast, it's essential to minimize physical activity and conserve all the energy that you have. Your body undergoes significant metabolic changes when fasting, and resting helps manage energy deficits so that when there's an absence of food, your body can cope with it. Step 5 is daily walking and progress monitoring. Each day during the fast, you will walk for 1 hour to promote fat burning without overstressing your body. So please don't run, just simply walk for 1 hour. I want you to monitor your progress effectively, meaning take daily pictures, front, back, and side in the mirror. And I want you to do this on a daily basis in the morning time and also the evening. Step 6 is safe and gradual rehydration. After you have successfully gone through your dry fast for 24 hours, it's time to begin rehydrating slowly with small sips of water to gently reintroduce the fluids back into your system. So take a half cup of water, a pinch of sea salt or pink Himalayan salt if you don't have high blood pressure. And after you drink half a cup of water, wait another half an hour, then drink another half a cup of water. Then you can drink as much as you want. For the rest of the night, from 6 p.m. to when you sleep, you can drink water, but keep in mind how much water you drink because it will interrupt your sleep with you going back and forth to the bathroom. Now, the next day, which should be approximately 36 hours into the fast, you can drink coffee or tea, but make sure there's no sugar or honey in it. You can use substitutes like monk fruit, which has 0 calories, and that should make you feel a lot better. I want you to understand that fasting is a powerful tool for health transformations, but should be approached with care and proper planning. So watch this video again if you have to. And also you can join me on Sundays in the evening time at 7 p.m. where I have live discussions where I tackle more topics and you can ask questions in real time. So if you want to accelerate your health goals a lot further, then you can actually click the link below and you can join our 6-week Go Hard and Go Home challenge. The link is below. So go ahead and watch this next video right here. I know you're gonna love it.